Welcome to the March 9th edition of Irvine Today. Here's what's happening this week in Irvine. Tuesday, the City Council will meet in the Council chambers at City Hall. Residents can attend the meetings in person or watch from home. All meetings are available for on-demand viewing on the city's website. Irvine arts lovers can have a Wednesday full of art by attending the free UCI Guitar Ensemble in the Arts Amphitheater at noon, checking out Para, the exhibition in the University Art Gallery, open till 6, then heading to Robert Cohen Theater by 7:30 to see Living Out, a play about immigration and working mothers, or hear the free concert by the UCI Chamber Singers in the Winifred Smith Hall at 8. Thursday evening at the Irvine Barclay Theater, Hawaii's Kings of Swing will take the stage. Kahula Nui is a Grammy-nominated 9-piece band that blends traditional Hawaiian music and the big band swing of the 1920s and 30s to create a sound that is vibrant and timeless. And our picks for weekend fun. Enter the zany, fun-filled world of Gary Krinsky's Toying with Science at the Irvine Barclay Theater on Friday evening. Saturday morning at the Great Parks Farm and Food Lab, residents 12 and older can attend a free garden workshop entitled Edible Gardening 2, Garden Plan, Plant Selection, and Planting. From noon to 2 on Saturday, join the 2020 Kitten and Puppy celebration at the Irvine Animal Care Center. Residents are asked to drop off gifts to support our incoming foster animals and enjoy light refreshments on the lawn with staff and volunteers. Saturday evening, music lovers can attend the final concert of the Concordia Choir's spring tour at the Center for Worship and Performing Arts on campus at Concordia University. Sunday evening at the Irvine Barclay Theater, Israeli superstar Noah will perform songs from her newly released album produced by the legendary Quincy Jones, Letters to Bach, a project combining Noah's heartfelt lyrics with the timeless music of Bach. I'm Dave Eyrick. Thanks for watching Irvine Today. Go to the City of Irvine's YouTube channel now and subscribe to receive weekly episodes in your inbox.